What's up, everybody? I'm back with another 2 deals video, and today I have too many deals for you. I don't know why I'll be grabbing so many of them, but let's get on with the show. First up, Lowe's has this Cross Purita dual stage carbon water filtration system, right? For $169. And I had a little argument with a friend of mine last week because I was telling her about the Everpure, the Pentair EF6000 that was cheap. And she was like, I don't want no stinking single stage. You need at least dual stage. Okay, hear me out. I said, well, this setup is $422. And this thing, regular price here, is $199. There's no way that this is, the price difference is for a reason. So I was telling her, and I want to show you guys, you have to read this stuff. First off, the filters last, and it's 2 filters here, mind you, 6 months or 700 gallons. Over here, this Everpure lasts for capacity 6,000 gallons on this one. 6,000, not 600. This is 700, 6,000. Okay, so it's almost 10 times the filter life. So, not only that, let's go down here. The flow rate. The filtration flow rate is 1 gallon per minute on this Cross. And on this Everpure, it's 2.2 gallons. That's full flow. So this is more than half the flow of that Everpure. So your water's going to flow real slow, all right? Not only that, let's get into what it actually filters out. Now, if you go look at this, you see it's ANSI 53 and ANSI 401 and ANSI 42 and NSF 372 and all this other stuff. And it filters out those things. The Everpure just advertised that it's, what is it, 42 and 53? Yeah, 42 and 53. That's all it advertises, right? But check this out. Let's go back here. It says independently certified to remove up to 98% of lead. You got to pay attention to the words. Up to 98% of lead. Here's what that means. If it only removed 1% of lead, this is not a lie. Because it said up to. It's just basically telling you, bruh, there's no way in heaven that this is filtering more than 98%. It's going to always be less. So if it's 1%, hey, this claim was not a lie. You come over here to this Everpure, look at lead. Lead 8.5, minimum reduction 98. So this does no less than 98% on lead 8.5 and lead 6.5, no less than minimum 99.3. This is a better filter. So I just wanted to show you guys that. So bye. Anyway, moving on. I'll leave a whole article explaining the different types of certifications and all that different stuff because that was amazing to me. Moving on, we have this Vevor 2-gallon stainless steel sprayer. I had to use this yesterday. I originally bought this one from Amazon because I'm trying to be cheap. This is tool deals after all. And it's a 1-gallon spray. Everything's plastic about it. And Vevor reached out to me and asked did I want to try anything. I was like, yeah, let me get that sprayer, the stainless steel one, because I'm just curious to know, if there's a huge difference or not. Well, it is, okay? Well, it definitely is. Obviously, this feels flimsy. It feels like when I squeeze the trigger, I might break it if I squeeze it too hard. But this does have a surprisingly large reach when you untwist the nozzle a little bit, and it's almost like sprays like a jet. So there you go. So when it sprays like this actually goes pretty far, but that's the thing. You don't really want that in a chemical sprayer. It's supposed to mist, and it's supposed to, what's the word I'm looking for? Anyway, I can't think of the word, but you want it to like mist really well, and this does a decent job. I mean, for $13, it does a great job, right? But yeah, it definitely ain't this. Like, first of all, when you pump this up, all right, it tells you to pump it to 40 PSI. When you pump it up, when you hold this trigger down, you run out of, and I fill both of them up with a gallon of water. You run out of water before this pressure is gone. So that's amazing. Over on this, nah, bro, like you use like maybe 20% of the gallon of water before this thing run out of pressure. So there's a lot of pumping involved. This is just a lot more work. It really is. And then, of course, the wand and the nozzle is brass. It's spray. This is going to last much longer. It's It's better. It's all around better. It comes with extra gaskets and stuff like that. It is better, and it's only $65. When you factor in the difference, to me, it's worth it. This is going to last a long time. Then also the other thing I love is that you have this pressure gauge on here, so you know where your pressure is. This is you don't know, you're guessing, and then you have this little valve over here to release the pressure before you. Well, when you're done, if you want to unscrew this tube. I like the clear tubing here. For $65 is great. Because when I went on Amazon, I found it for $85.99. That's, obviously more money. And then I was looking at another brand, and it was very similar. They were like identical. Here's another one was $95. There was another one that was basically identical to this, and it was like $150. Anyway, so I just want to show you guys that $65. I don't know how long this is going to be, $65. Great deal there. Moving on over to Acme Tools. Remember, they're celebrating their 75th anniversary, and they have they're having daily deals. And you have this Wagner sprayer. The proof is in the reviews here. $75. I'm not going to say anything about that. Then we have this DeWALT impact driver kit. $99. It comes with a 1.5 amp hour battery, a charge in the bag. Well, Acme Tools also has this very good flex deal with two 2.5 amp hour batteries, a rapid charger, and a more powerful impact driver in the bag for the same $99. So obviously do that, and don't forget your Rakuten right there. Also over at Vivor, this is Vivor's website. If you buy directly from Vivor, obviously it's cheaper. You sign up here. I also want to remind you, also they have Rakuten as well, and when you sign up using the link in the description, you get a $30 bonus cash back when you spend $30 on top of the 2% cash back. So don't forget that either. And it's also happening over here at Acme Tools. Then today they also had this Fane, I said that right. I think so. Vacuum. I hear these are wonderful shop vacs. $194. I don't have one, but there you go. Moving on over to Home Depot. Actually, before we move on over to Home Depot, I just want to say, if you are enjoying this content, I ask that you please subscribe. Consider turning on the notification bell so you don't miss any other deals, or just leave me a like and a comment saying thanks, thumbs up. I appreciate it very much. So I showed you guys this last week that the $99 ryobi buy one get one, it was done on the website. They just only had the $199 BOGO, but the $99 BOGO is back, and it's back. $99, 2 4-amp hour batteries, a charger, and you get to choose from any of these tools. Again, I told you guys I really like the fan. I don't really buy ryobi power tools like that. I like their fans and stuff, that outdoor equipment, little tools like this, brushes. This brush is okay. It spins real slow, and but stuff like that. Lights. Their lights are really great. I wish I could have tried these clamp speakers. I wonder what those sound like, and the fact that you can sync them. I wonder if you can sync more than 2 together and really have a party going. But those sold out like almost immediately. But anyway, got some decent little deals over here. Moving on over to Bomgaars. They're having some sales. But here's one that's quite interesting. This DeWALT Big Boy Hammer Drill, 2 5-amp hour batteries, a rapid charger, and their impact driver. You buy one and you get to choose from a free 5-amp hour battery, this floodlight, which actually looks pretty high end right here, or this XR oscillating tool, not the atomic, but the XR. And this is normally $399, this kit, but it's actually on sale, Bomgaars, for $299. So you get that plus a free tool. This is like better than Christmas deals, because usually on Christmas it's $399 and you get to choose from one free tool. 2 years ago it was $399. You got to choose from two free tools. But yeah, so taking it back to Christmas. So there you go there. Unfortunately, is there any Retail Me Not? Nope, no Retail Me Not at Bomgaars. And then also I wanted to come over to the Facebook group, because some of you guys have been finding some excellent deals. I haven't been giving y'all any shout outs lately, my bad. But Frank found this Milwaukee 2-pack ratcheting driver sets for $7.53 for the 2-pack. Get it while it's hot, boys. Get it while it's hot. You got to run out there, get that. Then also, Carlo found this same thing, hammer drill and impact driver kit. At Home Depot comes with two, I think 1.7 or 1.3 or 1.5 amp hour batteries, a bag and all that for $135. And I just want to show you guys what the kit, because it's hard to find. It's actually out of stock and just not even on Home Depot's website anymore. But this is what you're getting. This right here, this kit. So yeah, $135 there. Great deal there. And that is it for today's video. Hopefully it was helpful. I'll see you guys next time.